start.
Okay, so this is for the first time कि women candidates are appearing for NDA exam. So how's your feeling? How Supreme Court ने जो announce किया है, कैसे आप उसको देखते हो?
इसके लिए बहुत प्राउड हमें फील हो रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि अब इस बार से फीमेल कैंडिडेट्स भी अपीयर हो पाएंगे.
Okay.
So
how did you prepare yourself for NDA exam?
Through the previous year question papers and all the notebooks.
Okay. So from where questions were asked in the math section?
From the NCERT book, the basics were from the NCERT, but
Okay.
the questions level were a bit high.
Hi. Okay. Cool. Thank you. What is your name?
My name is Asha. So this is a very great opportunity for us. Like this is the first time girls are appearing for the NDA. So my feeling is very great, and just I have given my exam.
So
it
how's
was
your
good.
paper?
It was good. I mean moderate, I can say, because the time limit was less, I think. But
Yeah, of course, because
Yeah.
starting from the judgment, reopening of the application form, again the exam dates were very near. How did you manage to prepare yourself within 1 or 2 months?
yeah, actually we have got only approx 1 month.
1 month, yes.
Yeah, so it was very difficult, and along with it we were also preparing for something else, so it was little bit hectic, but we have managed it because we girls are strong.
Yeah.
And we'll do it, and we'll prove it this time.
Okay. So can you just tell me the topics from where maths questions were asked?
There were trigonometry and circles and statistics. These were the questions which were mainly asked, and rest also there were more topics, but they were less covered.
Okay.
These 3 topics were more.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is your name?
अपेक्षा.
Okay. कैसा था आपका पेपर?
मेरा पेपर अच्छा गया, but I feel कि मैं और भी कर सकती थी, और भी questions कर
Okay.
सकती थी.
So how did you see Supreme Court's judgment कि for the first time women candidates are appearing for NDA exam?
I felt really happy because I didn't know that the women candidates were not allowed.
हाँ.
So when I actually searched, then I was very sad actually, like
Okay.
in the past few months.
Okay.
Then actually the decision came, so
Yeah.
I was really happy
Okay.
that the Supreme Court allowed the women candidates. Yes.
And how did you because everything was pretty fast. So how did you prepare yourself for NDA exam?
I was actually preparing for JEE, so
Okay.
it was quite easy for,
Yeah.
it was in the schedule, so it was easy for me to prepare.
Okay. So आप टॉपिक्स बता दीजिए, मैथ्स में कहाँ से क्वेश्चंस आए थे, किस लेवल के क्वेश्चंस थे?
It was mostly from the 12th NCERT,
Okay.
and it was an okay level paper. It was not that difficult.
Okay. Thanks. Can you come here, please?
Yeah, my name is Pratika Tyagi.
So how is your feeling because you are appearing for the first time in NDA
I think
exam?
paper was not at all tough.
Okay.
And it was the all the syllabus of 11 and 12. The basic questions are there.
Okay.
I think nothing of there is difficult for us as the women are appearing first time.
So how's your feeling that women candidates have been
I
given
think it
entry?
was great feeling
Okay.
that I'm the first candidate
That
in
is-
this year. Yeah.
And within such a short duration of time, how did you manage to prepare for NDA exam?
Oh God! We are just preparing for the basic,
Okay.
for the formulas and for all the questions which are we have done in our 12th and
Yeah,
11th.
yeah.
The questions are same.
So can you just tell me in mathematics from where questions were asked, maximum number of questions were asked?
Calculus.
Okay. So can you just tell me the topics from where the questions were asked?
There's a calculus from the trigonometry, and statistics are there.
Okay.
The 10 or 11 questions are of
Okay.
statistics are there in the
Okay,
question
okay,
paper,
okay.
and calculus was not more than 5 or 6 questions.
So according to you, all the questions that were asked in the mathematics section
Yeah.
were from class 10 and 12 syllabus,
yes,
right?
yes.
Okay. Thank you.
श्रुति सुना
ओके, कैसा था पेपर? सिंस आप पहली बार अपियर कर रहे हो, कैसा लग रहा है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अभी अनाउंस किया है कि एनडीए में विमेन कैंडिडेट्स भी जा सकते हैं, कि कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, मतलब फर्स्ट टाइम है
हाँ.
तो एक माइलस्टोन टाइप का है.
ट्रू. तो आपने कैसे प्रिपेयर किया इतने शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन में? बिकॉज उनका जजमेंट तो बहुत ही जल्दी आ गया, एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म भी जल्दी ओपन हो गया था. कैसा था, मतलब कैसे आपने प्रिपेयर किया अपने आप को?
हमने तो ऑनलाइन यूट्यूब वीडियोस
हाँ.
और जो बुक्स वगैरह आती है उनसे, जो क्विक कोर्सेज होंगे, क्रैश कोर्स उनसे किया।
ओके, सो मैथ्स में कहाँ कैसा था आपके हिसाब से मैथ्स का पेपर?
मैथ्स का पेपर ठीक था।
ठीक था। तो आप
level।
कहाँ से क्वेश्चंस आए थे? कैसे लेवल के क्वेश्चंस थे? स्कूल लेवल के थे, कॉलेज लेवल के थे, कैसे थे?
स्कूल लेवल के भी थे और कॉलेज के थोड़े बहुत थे।
ओके, तो टॉपिक्स बता दीजिए कहाँ से क्वेश्चंस आए थे?
इसमें प्रोबेबिलिटी से काफी क्वेश्चंस थे।
ओके।
और क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस।
ओके, कैलकुलस वगैरह से थे?
कैलकुलस से थे।
ओके, थैंक यू।
My name is Ananya Achari.
So how is your feeling that for the first time women candidates are going to join NDA?
It's very exciting to know that at first women and men will be treated equally.
Yeah.
And I am happy to be among the first batch who's going to give the NDA exam for women.
So how's the paper? How was the paper according to? Since this is for the first time you're appearing, so कैसा था paper?
It was the first exam, maths paper. So it was average. Like the concept were based on all our basics from 11th and 12th, a little more from 9th and 10th.
Okay. So how did you prepare yourself? Because everything was pretty fast. The starting from the judgment to the reopening of the application form, exam, everything was very fast. So how did you prepare yourself?
Frankly speaking, I only got 1 month to prepare. But I had like that in that 1 month I grabbed all my basics of 11th and 12th.
Okay.
So on the basis of that I gave the whole exam and it went pretty good.
Okay. So can you just tell me the topics from where questions were asked in the exam?
Yes, of course. The highest weightage were from calculus and trigonometry.
Okay.
So one needs to have that as strong basics.
Okay. Fine. Thank